Hello everyone, here's ToppingBattery. Then we are the MacBook battery manufacturer. And
who's your friend?
okay, this is my friend.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Bruce Walker.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And those batteries, they go in like a MacBook, or where they go?
Yeah. And then we showed our battery for guys. And this is MacBook, and Lenovo, and MacBook, and also this is Dell and HP battery, and all the brands we include.
And what is the business of your company? So people can buy the battery for the service industry to refurnish, like to the old laptops can last longer?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is the MOQ?
On MOQ,
What? Just the one.
just one
Just one.
piece.
Yeah.
This one is enough. And what do we see here behind you? This is like for MacBook, different models. You have Air, 13-inch, and your technology for the battery, you say extended life, enhanced safety, higher capacity. Where's your factory?
And our factory in Shenzhen City and in the Longgang district. And our exported the laptop battery for more than 15 years.
And is the business growing? There's more and more old laptops, right? People need more and more service.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So this is a potentially even much more growing business because there's so many old laptops. People should not throw them out. They should use them again and again and again.
Yeah.
Right?
We can fix old battery, old computer for the new brand. The last time for the battery. Yeah.
Because actually, for example, the MacBook, especially M1, M2, they're so stable.
Yeah.
It just need to change battery and it's last 10 more years.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of potential for the second-hand market.
Yeah.
I think also we chat before about, you show me that, for example, this kind of MacBook here, or this one, that there's potential to add 20% more battery than the original design. But it's depend on Apple how it works, right?
Yes.
So it's possible to upgrade the capacity, have even more than original, because battery technology improve all the time, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And do you have many competitor? Or are you? How many battery you sell every year?
Yeah. Or more than 50,000 per month. Per month. Yeah.
So it's a big factory.
Yes.
Yeah. How many people in your factory?
More than 200 people.
Nice.
And we have our production department. Yeah.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.